Welcome to CES 2019. If you haven't seen our full What's Inside CES 2019 video, you can find that on our main channel. This is going to take you more in depth of one of the coolest booths that I've seen at CES, the Dolby booth. And this video is sponsored by Dolby. Check this out, right when you walk in, you see this. You have the sound up here, you have these TVs everywhere. I need you to just get a full perspective of what this looks like. Hunter, take over. This is the intro. You have these giant TVs, speakers that are placed all over so you can hear the Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos sound and vision. This is how you do CES. They are stepping up the headphone game. I'm gonna show you something that's gonna blow your mind. Within 10 minutes of seeing it, I actually went online and purchased this because I think it's gonna be a game changer for our family. Why are headphones a game changer? Well, in my family, everybody goes to bed at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Except for me. I'm up until midnight, almost every night, editing videos, replying to your comments, planning out new content. Something different about these headphones than any headphone I've ever seen is you connect it to an app and you decide what type of noise canceling you want. It's called Dolby Life Mix. This is where I think of this thing is a game changer. Say you have kids that are asleep in the other room taking their nap and you just wanna watch your Netflix show or you just wanna watch your favorite show, whether it's on your TV or your tablet or your phone. And you can take this thing all the way down to 0. So right now with the Dolby Life Mix, I'm probably talking really loud because it's at 0. I don't hear anything outside. It's hard to even hear myself talk. If somebody came in the room and was talking to me, I likely would not even hear them unless they were like yelling super, super loud. There's a built-in microphone that actually captures the outside noises. And so if you take the Dolby Life Mix transparency level and go up, right now I'm at 11, you can listen to your content and the sounds are beautiful. They're great. You can hear all of the music, all of the noises from your movie. You're not missing anything. And then as soon as your daughter wakes up and she starts making noises, you're gonna hear it and you can take them off, pause your movie and go check it out. So, pretty dang cool. You can pair them with 3 different devices and just easily toggle tablet, computer, TV. This is Ariel, he's VP of Consumer Products. You've spent a lot of time with these headphones.
A little bit. What Dolby Life Mix allows you is to decide how much or how little you want to hear of your surrounding while you're completely immersed into your content.
Oh my gosh. I wasn't planning on doing this in this video, but Hunter, put that camera down, put your backpack down, get over here.
Okay.
Okay, so Hunter's just watching a movie right now. Can you hear us, Hunter?
No.
Okay, Hunter can't hear us right now. Like, Hunter, how old are you? Hunter, what's your favorite kind of food? I will double your pay per year if you will just say, go Utes right now.
Can I answer for him?
No way, Ariel. Okay, now turn it up really loud to 10. Hunter, what's your favorite kind of food?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Yeah.
Can you hear me talking? Okay.
Yeah, now I can.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Did you hear what I said?
No? What'd you say?
Oh, I just was asking you standard questions. Nothing important. Yeah, that's all right. Hunter will never know what was said until we actually play back this video and he watches it.
What did I miss?
Oh, nothing exciting.
No, nothing. Don't worry about it.
There's nothing exciting.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good, right, Ariel?
It's all good. Nothing to worry about.
These headphones are really cool. This is if you have all the money in the world and you want the best sound and vision possible. This has all kinds of speakers. Look at these speakers. It says Dolby Atmos right on the speaker. The Dolby Vision screen is so vivid. There's even stars on the ceiling. Check out how beautiful this room is. Is this brick real? It's not. That is not real, but it looks real. So I'm in the Dolby living room right now. Ooh, it's dark in here.
This is Dolby Atmos. Now, sound moves around you in 3-dimensional space with breathtaking audio quality. It brings the on-screen action alive and immerses you in every moment.
I can hear the different sounds all around me. And then the screen
Captures the
is so beautiful. That's bright. That lightning.
What you thought was black isn't. This is black.
Okay, so that's what we've learned from many different
This is
TVs.
contrast that delivers greater
Blacks that are
detail
blacker,
and detail.
darker blacks. Like, I mean, look at that. The contrast with the light and the dark is crazy.
Between white and pure energy.
Whoa,
Energy that is about to reveal
that's ridiculous.
an entire universe of color.
That's
will
crazy.
transform your viewing
Isn't that beautiful, Hunter?
experience.
Why can't every movie be this bright? Oh my gosh, look at that desert. When you're at CES, a lot of the things you see are called Vaporware, which is basically people show you really nice flashy things that look incredible, that you're like, yes, take my money now. They aren't actually coming out to the market anytime soon, and when they do come to market, they a lot of times don't look as good as what they showed you. But the great thing about everything that we're seeing in this booth today is that it is all available on the market right now. Most TV brands support Dolby Vision, and the price starts from around $349. Sound bars with Dolby Atmos start at $399, and some TVs with both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos are available under $1,000. So if you're looking for a TV, either read online first or ask the people where you're buying it. Is it Dolby enabled? There's always that moment when I travel where I think, oh, I wish Lincoln was here. Well, this is the one for sure that I wish Lincoln was here. Did you know that Dolby Atmos is in video games? That's right, this is the video game room, and I'm gonna play some video games for a little bit. There are certain games like this one, Lara Croft Tomb Raider, where because we have the sound bar and then the different speakers around the room, you can hear everything around you, which is a huge advantage. If you hear it first, you can move over and you can get the people and have a better reaction time. All right guys, this booth is pretty incredible. This is just a small sampling of what you see at CES. This is one of my favorite booths, the Dolby booth. Give this video a thumbs up if you think this is one of the most beautiful spaces you've ever seen. This is why I wanted to show you and do a full-on video of the Dolby space. So let me know in the description, what were some of your favorite things from today from the Dolby booth? I'm curious to know your thoughts. Next year at CES, what would you like to see me do more of? Thanks for watching. That's what happens when you stay too long. I was actually playing the Lara Croft Tomb Raider game for quite a while. I've never played a game that's like so beautiful and crisp. And we came out and everybody's gone. Like all that's here is security now, which I won't show them because they're top secret security people. But here, check this out. Look in here, nobody. Nobody's even here anymore. We're just here in the Dolby booth by ourselves. So, pretty dang cool.
Go you!